In the previous video, we installed Python 3. So if you haven't done that yet, you will need to install Python. And now we want to set up Visual Studio Code as our editor. So we'll go out to Visual Studio, and I'll go ahead and go to the main page. Click download, and as soon as that gets downloaded, we'll go ahead and install. Go ahead and accept the agreement. Take the default destination. And we'll go ahead and finish and launch that. And go ahead and close out the browser. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and install an extension for Python. So we'll search for that. And we'll take the default Microsoft one. So I'll go ahead and install that. That'll take a second or two. Once that finishes, we'll go up to Explorer, and we haven't opened a folder yet, so I'll go ahead and click Open Folder. We'll go to Documents, and I'll go ahead and create a new folder. I'll just call it Projects. We'll select that as our folder to test out. Well, say yes, I trust the authors for this folder. That'll be us. Go ahead and add a file here, and I'm going to just call it test.py. Okay, and we'll edit that. So I'll do a print statement just to test this out. And so I'll just do the one-liner here, and so we'll go up here and go ahead and run that Python file using this little run button. We can also do it off the menu, but we'll do it for here for now. So run that. Down here in the terminal we'll pull up and hopefully get our result. So that output to the screen what we told it to. So that's kind of a basic setup for our Python in Visual Studio Code.